This video will show you how to quickly configure your milotips server.
Open your inventory, locate your milotips folder and res out the milotips server. It is black, the milotips tips module. It is white and is used to record the tips per user for a given period, and the tip jar you will be using.
Touch the server, then click Ready. The server will ask for debit permissions. This is necessary for the server to share the tip with the tip jar user according to the percentage value you will define.
Touch the server again, and click on Assist. This quick assistant lets you quickly configure the most common settings. You will be able to adjust those parameters more in depth once the server will be started.
Click Begin to start the assistant.
Set a name of your choice for the server. This name will appear as in hover text above the server.
Set a name for the tip jars. This name will appear as in hover text above the tip jars.
Set if you want the tip jars to follow their user, or if you prefer them to stay in place while being used.
Set the access mode for the tip jars.
Set the percentage of the tips you want to share with the user. If you set 80% for instance, you will keep 20% of the tip for yourself. You will be able to adjust this setting later.
Then click OK to validate the assistant.
Before you start the server, and if you use multiple servers, make sure the channel is set correctly. Use the channel button to set the channel. The tip jars channel and milotips tips module channel must correspond.
You may click Start to start the server.
If you set the access to group, you need to set the server object to the group you will be using. The server is responsible for controlling the logins.
Right-click and edit the server object, then go to General. Check the group name and click on the wrench icon to change the group if needed.
Thank you for watching.